What is that? Hi, President.
Yo!
Mag-design ta karon. Ay. Mag-design ta sa umaga para
Patunan ko sinigin. Yo, siniga!
My favorite plane. I'm gonna give air.
Alay, nagpurman na! Mura lagi na plane mo!
The ozone power. You have asthma. I give you air. She's afraid of air.
Uy!
She's fighting air. I'll give her air. She's afraid of it.
Huwag mo dito ka ng masking tape, be.
Sumali!
Hi, Chloe. What is your opinion on this?
Yes!
On this show? Oy! Wala pa yes! Wala pa yes, sis! Wala mong gawas!
Ivan borrowed and lost the cup.
Wala
It
mong
was
gawas.
gone.
No, the one
What is your opinion? Ayaw! Tama pagsige kagi ate!
Salo ka makon!
Spider-Man. Gupa ka ni Chloe. Hi Chloe, what is your opinion on this science month? Hi Aljun, what is your opinion? Inakit sa tatlong dako. What is your opinion, Aljun? Tinubuon na. Ayaw ka! Hi Ala, what is your opinion on this science month? Hi Ronald, what is your opinion on science month?
Paan? Nindot kayo.
Very nindot. And kanay si Chloe kay na iya arrange ang ladder tapos mo na ako design. Very aesthetic. 1989! Ay, lagi pagkagiyate! I was being careful. Hello NJ, unsa mo opinion karong
Hi, world.
karong science month? Ako ni po sa YouTube, sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa Twitter, sa everywhere so that ang tanan jud ta makita. So unsa man imong opinion?
Kuan. Social.
Hey, so, muna si Trisha. Nag-gitar siya. Hi, Trisha. Sa man imong opinion sa Science Month?
Ako opinion kay nice kayo.
No!
Hi, Aaron. Sa imong opinion sa Science Month? Ay, pag si Pugi-Pugi dahil. Ini picture.
Bye. Kukuha ko sa white nga chair.
Ano sa imong opinion?
Ambot.
Bye.
EGD.
Bye.
Hi, Ian. Ano sa imong opinion sa Science Month? Okay. Na, wala siya ka-stock kay full yaba-ba. Na tayo sa ka-dancer diri mo na siya si Chloe na. Uy, alas 10, 1 minute na lang. Science month.
Wala.
You have no opinion, okay. Hi, Trevor, what is your opinion in the science month?
Yes.
Hello, Ivan, what is your opinion in the science month? What is your opinion in the science month?
Wala.
Wala ka opinion. O sige, ganyan na siya nagbart po ng balon. So, I hope din na maburot sa diyan. Never mind.
Oy! Karanan!
Sus, sorry eh. Hoy, usa mo opinion sa science month?
Opinion?
Oh.
Ako opinion sa'yo man kay... Anong... Lingaw kay... Absent mo ko ba niya? Full time rapor.
Oh, okay muna na. Oh, ali, let us go outside. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, what is your opinion on science month, ma'am?
It's so stressing.
Modern, ma'am. Sakto kay ma'am.
Bye. Dali na ako niya.
Hello, Mesh. What is your opinion on science month? Thank you. Joke. Hey! You are very wrong grammar and you are not the-grammaring.
Okay. The science month is so very nice. Very good.
Asa mo si Chloe? Hoy, si Chloe lang din. Asa si Aljun? Ali. So, today mag... Ha? Ikaw man ang mas Vincent. Ayaw lang. Ay, maglakaw na may. Bahala mo dira. Bahala mo! Hindi ko ma-lecture! You need bayad! So, karon guys,
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Hi vlog, welcome to our guys. So, mag-school vlog, karon na lang ang camera ay. So, kanang, mga namin sa school kasi. Ay, mo, no?
Yay!
And then, wait, we will continue on our vlog. Muna mo, hallway guys. Sorry if. Hi, Aljan! You are una-unaing! You're not waiting for me? Alin na, Chloe. And muna sila ang power couple sa school. O lagi pagkuha ito ba kayo kabot di restaurant? Kapag kay kung i-focus mo na ako sa school eh. Hi Dom, what is your opinion on Science Month?
Okay ra.
Okay ra? Okay.
Level 1 free. Oh, you're not wishing. Somewhere there's nothing good in their banner. Better. There was nothing good in the banner as well. What's the first Bro, this shit is garbage. Why did you win?
Uy, City Car Boy! Oh my gosh!
I think a couple more,
Gulo!
yaw-yaw.
Ako, pick kay Lisa.
Sabi na kung taas din, nag-ano ako yun. Umubot na yun.
Tarong.
Bakit ni Mitch? Eh, kung tayo spy man daw ko super spy.
Who are you?
Spy man ko, spy. Hidden camera. So, maghimo ko groom ter.
Welcome!
Hi! Are you the tour guide?
Classroom!
Are you the tour guide?
Yes, I am.
Are you the king?
Yes, I'm the king.
So,
Gangbang and
sinigang ba?
as you can see,
And then,
our room is
as I enter the hallway, I see someone guitaring and eating for the. There you go. She's so pretty.
Kay Flex.
Ano ikaw?
I'm eating Ribisco. Ang paborito ko.
Oh, my special dahil special ka.
Come here.
Oh, enter. Hi, ma'am. This is
This is our teacher.
Our teacher is a fresh graduate.
Ano, pag matanda na tayo.
And this is the boys they are talking about, I don't know.
Educational purposes.
Ito yan, sign language. They are doing sign language. Do it again, Lance. And that is our drug addict in there. Look at him, he's an addict and this I don't know who you are. And you.
You can't see it.
Hindi pwede. Ayaw.
Kaya yaman, paano?
Bay ka, luwag, panay mong camera. Nag-room tour ka, di ba?
Ano mag-video?
You are stealing my camera. You are stealing my camera. You go away from me.
Video naman, paano? Unahan na to si Barameda. Uy, bitagaan ko niya gopher guys.
Cute kayo!
Dara sila guys, sparring sila. Yan ay nagkub-kubare.
the best enchantment.
Enchant your home with loyalty.
Yeah, royalty 3.
Kob na guys. Kob na guys. Marami daw, sa'yo mo maingon sa science man.
Wow, patay na. Wala.
Wala.
Nakuha ng usa. Hindi usa. Abalon.
Ang mga ikaw-ikat, ininang sa pwede sa buwan.
Pumunta ka ni Ernoy. Oh, my chair!
Rama, sit on Bermuda.
No, Rama.
Rama, sit on him.
Fucking shit, dude.
Oy, pagkila na ni.
Hoy, Ian!
Iyan.
Rama ka ni Baro. Diyan, ka ni Baro. Sure. Rama ka ni Baro. Ka ni Baro. Yes, I'm the maker, right? So, oh, you wait back. Okay, you wait back. John, John. Bro, change it real fast. Turn on my chair, please. Go!
Ay, sige, gawas na eh.
Rama ka ni Baro. Oh!
Pagkila na ni. Uy,
Hoy, Rama, I don't